Hello, in this video I want to show you how to manage HUD notifications in Star Citizen. To do this, first we'll need to open our options, enter game settings, then scroll all the way down. That way you'll be able to find the social options, and there's social friend requests that we can enable or disable, social friend request notifications that we can enable or disable, social party invite notifications that we can enable or disable or switch to different group, social currency transfer notifications from everyone or friends only, social comms calls notifications from anyone or friends only. There's also emissions HUD display signature values and other settings, but that's not notifications for your HUD. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.